In Teamwork Chat, there are two means of user removal. You can remove a user from a particular conversation or channel, and you can also choose to remove a user from your chat installation altogether. So to remove a user from a channel, we just need to go to that channel, and then let's say that I want to remove Annie Bryan here. All we need to do is select the X icon here next to their name. And now you can see that our user has been removed from this channel. If we're an administrator and we want to remove someone altogether from our chat installation, we just need to select the settings option down here and then select our users tab. And then we just need to select our user, and then over here on the right hand side under actions, just select delete user. And then we just need to confirm this, or indeed we can cancel it if we don't want to delete the user, but I'll just confirm this for now. And there you go, now our user has been deleted. And that's it, that's all you need to know to be able to remove users in Teamwork Chat.